The Daily Crypto Catch by Kalkine Media is brought to you by Crossgate Capital. Crossgate Capital is a specialist investor in cryptocurrencies, a Kiwi company providing a smart way to invest in crypto through shares. Crossgate Capital's diversified portfolio includes Bitcoin, Ethereum and other leading cryptocurrencies. To learn more, simply visit www.crossgatecapital.co.nz. Hello there, Sage here. Great to have your company on Kalkine TV, and this is the Daily Crypto Catch brought to you by Crossgate Capital. And let's now catch up on the past 24 hours from the crypto space. More and more people are buying out of stock to reinvest into crypto, according to a US survey. Data sourced by CivicScience shows 23% of respondents said they or someone they know have sold stocks or bonds to then invest that money in digital currency. And nearly 2,000 responses were collected between November 29th and December 6th, which showed 76% of respondents saying they're more likely to invest in traditional stocks or bonds, with 24% preferring to invest in cryptocurrency. And while that might seem like a large discrepancy, it's considerably less than a corresponding poll taken in June of 2021, which showed traditional stocks being favoured by 90% of respondents, with 10% supporting cryptocurrency. Moreover, 7% of respondents said they have sold stocks or bonds in order to purchase crypto, with 16% saying they know someone who has done the same. The remaining 77% claimed they either haven't made any such investment decisions or know someone who has. Bitcoin mining continues to suffer issues as Iceland has had to turn away Bitcoin miners due to the high energy consumption of the practice. Iceland has had to deal with an energy shortage, with Iceland's largest utility, Landvirkjun, being forced to limit energy supplies to its customers with the highest consumption, given the considerable power required to mine Bitcoin. They and other crypto mining companies have been the worst affected. The utility said that the cut was effective immediately as of Tuesday. And Bitcoin's mining issues have been well publicised after Tesla founder and billionaire Elon Musk, who earlier this year called out the practice of Bitcoin mining as being a big consumer of fossil fuels. And Musk's comments came shortly after he announced his electric vehicle company Tesla would stop accepting Bitcoin as payment for the vehicles. The price of Bitcoin has risen slightly in the past 24 hours by 0.62% to reach $48,086 US. It's been a tough week, though, for the world's top crypto, dropping from $56,670 US, a drop of over $12,000 US. And now we'll just take a short break, but we'll be back with the news in the altcoin space, as well as today's biggest winners and losers, so stay tuned.
Hi there, James Preston for Kalkine TV. Are you into gaming and virtual reality? Does AI and the endless possibilities it entails capture your interest? Or are you constantly trawling through the web to try and discover the latest updates and innovations in the tech space? Well, let us do the work for you. From the latest product launches to shocking affairs on the World Wide Web, exclusive interviews and information about the top companies like Apple and Google to brand new tech startups vying for your attention. Kalkine's Tech Beat has the latest in what matters in the world of technology. Join me every single Thursday on the Tech Beat, exclusive to Kalkine TV.
Welcome back to Crypto Catch on Kalkine TV, brought to you by Crossgate Capital. Let's now take a look at the latest news from the crypto world. Altcoin Terra, Luna, has moved into the top 10 cryptos by market cap after rising in price to US $67.73 as a classic bull structure suggests to some that it could hit US $100 in the coming weeks. And Terra has a current market cap of US $21.91 billion. Moving on now to today's winners and losers. Iotex has risen 10.66% in the past 24 hours to reach US $0.1266, and meanwhile Near Protocol has risen 3% to US $9.44. And on to today's losers. Tezos has dropped 20.5% in the past 24, while Immutable X has dropped as well, 17.56% in the same period. And thanks for your company on today's show. That's all for the Crypto Catch, but stay tuned to Kalkine TV for the latest market updates, business news and exclusive interviews. This is Sage signing off for now.